Hey guys, welcome back, Mac and PC Prime Video. And today, in this video, I'm going to show how to fix Nvidia graphics on macOS Sonoma, which doesn't require Nvidia web drivers. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So without further ado, let's get started. To fix Nvidia graphics on macOS Sonoma, which doesn't require Nvidia web drivers, you'll need a hacking tool to determine your GPU make and model, OC auxiliary tools for editing config.py list, and OpenCore legacy patcher for patching the system volume. Now open about this Mac. Let me show you that the graphics display is only showing 7 megabytes. Now open OC auxiliary tools and mount your ESP. After mounting your ESP, go to the OC folder, then the KEX folder. Here make sure that you have Leilu and whatever green. If not, place the KEX and now open the config list in OCard. Go to the kernel tab and here make sure to add the entries for Leilu and whatever green and proper order. After that, go to miscellaneous tab, then security section. Here, set the secure boot model to disabled. And then go to the NVRAM tab and select the last do-ide here. Make the following changes. After making the changes, OC config while saving the changes, and then eject the ESC and restart your system. While restarting, make sure to reset the NVRAM ones. After booting back, open OpenCore Patcher. And then click on Post-Install Root Patch. From the Post-Install menu, click on Start Root Patching to begin the process, and proceed with all the prompts. When you get the restart option, quit OpenCore Patcher. Then click on Restart. While restarting, make sure to reset the NVRAM ones. And now you can see that the graphics is working in. Hackintosh, the NV, now shows to be enabled. And in about this Mac, the graphics shows Nvidia GeForce GT 710 2GB. Also, let me show you more info of the graphics and displays. And here you can see that the GPU name is Nvidia GeForce GT 710 and metal is also supported. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, just comment down below or create a thread on our forum. Make sure to check out the forum for in-depth guides. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.